Hey, my name is Chad Edwards, and I'm part of the top office for the Strategic Financial Advisory Group and the Strategic Blueprint Registered Investment Advisory Group. And you know, we've been very blessed and have done very, very well. And we had the opportunity this week to listen to my man Frank and understand how he is helping advisors utilize artificial intelligence and all the tools that go with it. And I won't get into the specifics of those tools, but I will say that at the beginning of the session, they asked who's using AI, who's using ChatGPT and all these other things. We raised our hands because we have been using it. And we thought that we've been doing a pretty good job of it. And we learned that we have just scratched the surface after learning all the tools. And it's not going to be something that we're going to be able to implement right away and tomorrow, but we have what we think is a 6-month plan to leverage the tools that we learned from Frank and all the other tools that we're going to get from this, and the information and the productivity and everything else. So if you have not listened to the session, honestly and frankly, I highly recommend it.